Alright, so I'm redoing, gonna have to patch that hole right there. What they did was, some time ago, this was supposed to have been a race car, and they had another gauge. I cut a hole in the dash and put another gauge in it. And, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take everything off, fix that. That will all have to be reshot, but I'm gonna start taking the pieces off. This way I can grind this down, get to some good metal, and go from there. The other thing I'm working on at the same time, I take a break, I work on this a little bit, then I work on the floor, and I'm grinding this up. The floor's in really good shape. These pans in the back have been changed. The middle under the seats are pretty good. The front here is really good. This one had a little tiny spot in it, and they had another piece on top. You see it back there. I don't know why they didn't cut it in, but it was an old piece. So I'm gonna get some new stock and fix that. It's just got a little weak spot in it, but otherwise, it's in good shape. I'm gonna have to keep grinding it down, cleaning it up. You see, I got a lot of the stuff off there. I'll get it all out of here. I got to get under the pedals. But I got tired of breathing in the dust, and I figured I'd breathe in a different type of dust, Bondo. So that's where I'm at.